This is Steve with All Dogs Off-Road, and this is the newest addition to our Tacoma, our 05 Tacoma lineup, and I'm super excited to show you guys what it's all about. Previously, we've had our add-a-leaf options and our performance pack options for the Tacoma, and this is a great addition to the lineup. This is for the type of people who use their truck in a variety of different ways. Kind of how a truck was supposed to be used for, you know. One day you have a lot of weight, you're going camping, you're going wheeling or whatever, and you have a lot of weight in the back. And some days you're driving to work, you're just driving around town and you have no weight in the back. You gotta have something that will ride well in both instances. So that is where this leaf pack comes into play. This is 100% made in America with American steel. It's very affectionately called our Broverland pack because it's for the type of person, you know, who's into overlanding, but, you know, doesn't need to spend a fortune on a leaf pack either. This pack is rated for 2 inches of lift at around plus 400 pounds. We designed it specifically to not have massive ride height fluctuations as you add and remove weight, so it'll ride well and keep around the same ride height no matter how much weight you put into it, you know, within reason. Obviously, if you put 5,000 pounds in the back, you might have a little bit of squat, but plus 400 pounds and about 2 inches of lift around there. We installed this on a 2020 Tacoma, which I'll throw a picture up on the screen so you can see, and it turned out great. Our good friend Andrew, who owns the Tacoma, does a lot of wilderness rescue. I believe that's the term for it. He can get mad at me if I'm not quoting it right. So he always has a lot of gear in the back, and this is exactly the right leaf pack for him. Just like factory, retain the half wrap here and and a good sized overload leaf for all of that extra weight that you'll be carrying. We have OE rubber bushings on both sides so that you get a nice quiet operation. Rides really well. And this can be paired with, you know, we send out regular U-bolts with it, or you could, if you wanted to, upgrade to our U-bolt flip kit, and that'll work really well as well. Also made right here in America for us. So this leaf pack we originally brought to market for the Nissan Frontier and Xterra, and it took off like crazy, so we're bringing it to the Toyota guys next, and really excited about this. So what we usually do is we usually pair this with our Bilstein complete kits, paired with our All Dogs Off-Road coil springs, which are also made in America, American steel, and then we pair that with Bilstein shocks. That's one of the best entry-level kits that you can get for your Tacoma. It's just very affordable, rides really well, gets you the good lift numbers that you're after. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some pictures up on the screen for you so you can kind of see what we're looking at once these guys get installed, as well as what our base kits usually look like. So yeah, this is going to be a great option. For some people, an add-a-leaf is really all they need, especially if you don't do much towing or hauling or anything like that, and your leaf pack's in good condition. So if it's a newer truck, you might not need a full leaf pack, but I know that a lot of people, their uses are a little bit more demanding, so you need a leaf pack that's going to be able to keep up with you, and this will definitely do the job just fine. I'm actually getting this one ready to ship out today. We sent a good amount out the door already, and I'm excited to get these into your hands so that you guys can use them and abuse them. They have UHMW pads on the ends for silent operation. As I said before, the half wrap to help distribute that load and give you a little bit of extra support, and a good overload leaf that's going to hold the weight up really well when you're loaded, and a good arch to give you that ride unloaded that you need. So definitely check it out. I'll put a link in the description so you can take a look. Thanks you guys for watching. If you have any questions, as always, just drop them in the comments. I love to hear comments. I love to reply to comments. So thanks as always, and I'll catch you